Hi dear friends, and today we will talk again about the Instagram app. In this tutorial we will show you how to update this application, so let's go to the bottom. And the first thing I need to say that we have an iPhone, but if you have the Android device, I need to say that this process is very similar on each of these phones, and the biggest difference between them is that on iPhone users have an App Store and on Android the users have the Google Play Store. So definitely it's the biggest difference. You can only repeat our shown process from this tutorial on your Android device, and you won't have any troubles with this, I'm sure. So the first step we need to do, as I said before, is to open our store application. Sorry, you won't have this screen after opening your Play or Apple Store, because I have opened my needful page right now, but you will have, as right now I show you, the default home page of the App Store or Play Store, and you need to pick on the search bar at the top to set Instagram inscription on it. I will choose Instagram again on the period list and tap on this application here on its icon. And as you can check, I have right now on my App Store only one option, like open. But if you want to update your app, you will have the special key like update, and you need to pick on it one time. Later, let's wait some time before the uploading, and it's all of the additional features on this application, on this Instagram app, need to be added to your program. But right now, as you can check, we have the latest version of our Instagram, but I need to say that we right now don't have each of the possible features on this app. As an example, the first option I think about is that we can only like the selected messages, but we are not able to add additional emotions for them and additional reactions. We can only like. So this is the first trouble and the first problem we have, that we don't have these updates that to add some additional emojis and stickers for the selected messages. No. Later we are not able to correct the background of the selected chats, etc. So we don't have really a lot of additional features, and the best way to correct it is just to connect with the support, with the Instagram support. If you are interested in this process also, you can check our tutorial which is added on our YouTube channel, on the HardReset.Info channel too, to check this process, how to connect with the Instagram support in details. But probably you really can update your application and check the result. Maybe on your phone you will have all of the possible options. Just try it. So guys, I hope that this video was really useful, and right now you know how to update, how to set the latest version of the Instagram app on your device, and you won't have any errors and troubles with this process. So guys, don't forget about likes, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out later even more tricks about the Instagram app and other programs. So goodbye!